In ancient times, when the whole world spoke a single common language, the descendants of Noah settled in the land of Shinar. United and ambitious, the people of this early civilization began to dream large dreams. They said to one another, "Come, let us make bricks and bake them thoroughly." They used brick instead of stone and tar for mortar, paving the way for their grand endeavor. Their ambition culminated in the design of a city with a tower that would reach up to the heavens. "Let us make a name for ourselves," they thought, "so that we may not be scattered over the face of the whole earth." The tower, referred to as Babel, was to be a marvel of human achievement, symbolizing their unity and ability. However, this desire to build a tower tall enough to touch the heavens came to the attention of the Lord. The ambition of humankind, coupled with their unity and singular language, meant there would be no limit to their endeavors, for good or ill. Seeing the potential for arrogance and the danger of such unchecked power, the Lord decided to intervene. "Come, let us go down and confuse their language, so they will not understand each other," the Lord proclaimed. Suddenly, the people found themselves unable to communicate. The single language fragmented into many, causing great confusion. Unable to understand one another, the construction of the city and its towering centerpiece came to a standstill. Struggles and misunderstandings abounded, and the once unified people began to scatter across the earth. The city was abandoned, and the great tower was left to erode, a testament to the fragility of human endeavor when reaching beyond appropriate boundaries. The Lord's intervention introduced a multitude of languages to the world, meant to remind humanity of the importance of humility and the potentially dangerous nature of unchecked ambition. Thus, the place came to be known as Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of all the earth, leading to the scattering of the nations far and wide. This poignant tale from Genesis serves as a foundational narrative for understanding the diversity of languages and cultures that shape the world today.